Yeah, I know about the soul mode. I did the demo level. Oh yeah. Look at me. Speed. Yes. Whoa. Oh no 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 no. Okay. Where? Oh, the torch is a limited time power up. Okay. Okay. Key. Uh-oh. Well, hey, you know what? Woo! Oh, goodness me. What? Wow! It only took all but one of my orange mana, but... I feel like that wasn't supposed to go that well. Gosh. Okay. Whoa.
Welcome back, champion.
Wow, they the most jerkish placement of no. Ah! No, you're just trying to death him. Shakes and closes his eyes. Ah! Did I show you a strat that? Ooh! Get out of here. Yeah. Oh boy. All right. You know what? Oh. Wow. Okay. Rich schmucks do be rich schmucks. Stinkies. Okay. Okay, I don't know why that spooked me. Screw you. Okay, fair. It's making angry noises and I can't even see it. Oh, naruhodo. I see. Oh gosh! Kick. Oh! I'll get it back. It's fine. 90s edge naming. Constantly spooked? Yeah, I can get like that. You know what? Get out of here. Okay. Yay! I can't wait to die horribly to whatever. No! Ah! Okay. Make her plan. I just got the key. Oh no! No! Go away, Blitzcrank. Min chip sounds so good. Nope. Oh gosh, this is like TikTok clock in Mario Kart. Only death. Well, it looks like I'm gonna have to take a dip in the Listerine. Ow, 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 no, 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 ow. Ah! Oh. Wait, what? Wait. Okay. I might have an idea. Oh! Aha! Aha! Oh. Yeah, they're. What the? Excuse you. Bad. No. This isn't gonna end well, is it? Okay. Oh wait, I know. Wait. 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 No. No? Huh? Oh no! Where did you come from? Why are you here? No! 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 Whoa! Now, where was I? Okay. There we go. My mistake. Sorry. Ah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, yeah, fair. Ow, ow, oh, oh. Whoa! Yo, I should have been ready for that, and I wasn't. Yoink. Yoink. Up, 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 up. Gah. Giant round. Wah! Oh. Woo! Wow. We're getting closer to Mordor. Oh, okay. Deep voice hunting. Yeah, what the? Get out of here. Your phone just never notified. You're always missing texts and calls. Yikes. Did you see that? And that guy just matched my trajectory perfectly. That was actually kind of impressive.
Hello there.
Oh! Well, I'm glad. I'm glad you were able to. I'm glad it was a. Ah! I'm glad it showed up for you today. I assumed the gate would only have time to grab one, so I went for the B. Okay. Wow, they're really gonna seal Omega behind the. Ah! Yaha! Sequence complete. Oh! Not what I expected. Woo! Oh! Whoa! Oh. Ah! Which, I mean, I might still. I'll probably still go back to it eventually. What the? I understand. I'm not always the most perceptive person. Wow. Wait, why does this just look like I'll die if I fall in here? Oh. Ah! That's not good. Ah! I thought that was like a crackling from the... Okay. Wait a minute. Huh. Huh. Yup. Yoink. Good at... Boink. Boink. Only 2 games I remember doing water, but Serious Sam and Thief 1, 2. Yeah, I heard that. Whoa! Hup. Ah! Sequel Hot Shots Part 2, which parodies Rambo? Oh gosh. Ah! Key spotted. Oh, okay. Whoop! Oh, great balls of fire. What is this? Okay, we're making a Yaha! Hey! Oh, that's just a regular size guy. Let's get the mega. Oh, ow, ow, wow! He decked me with that. That's kind of a fighter dynamic, I think. Ow, ow. Ah! No, no, no! Eh. Eh. Whoop. Eh. Are you kidding me? Oh. Okay. Ooga booga booga. Alley-oop. Oop. Alley-oop. Oop. Ba 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 ba. Oh! Excuse me? Really, game? Oh! Hmm. Oh. One more to go. Oh! Woo! What is that doing? I hear. Whoa! Oh. Oh! Okay, so we did all the.
Evil has found us, champion. You must hurry.
Oh, okay. Whoop! Oh, purple mana. Ah! Lamau. Oh. Huh? Oh dear. Oh dear. Ah! No, 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 no. Get the lightning dunkers away from me. It's a pun when she stole from Raw Chicken. Oh. Oh! Oh no 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 no. No, no, bad, 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 no. Ya bad, ya bad. I will not escape. Ah! This is nothing.
The universe awaits.
Yay!